I rewrite the systems that control capital. Wealth Operative.
Your mind is your fortress, and at the same time, your greatest weakness. No matter how much money you make, if your mind still works like everyone else's, you'll remain just another face in the crowd. In Mind Code, I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to reprogram you. You cannot expect extraordinary results with mediocre mental processes. The difference between the one who wins and the one who watches others win is how they think, how they filter information, and how they decide at the exact moment that matters. Forget the pretty quotes and empty promises. Here, we expose the mental routines, the internal codes, and the discipline that separate the effective operator from the chronic dreamer. This isn't pop psychology. This is mental engineering built to operate under pressure. You'll learn how to design thought habits that withstand chaos, how to program automatic responses under stress, and how to armor your focus against distraction and external manipulation. If you want different results, you must first break the way you think. And once you shatter that mold, you will never see the world the same again. Welcome to Mind Code. I'm Nyla Cael. Your mind will no longer be your limit, but your most lethal weapon.